Hey guys, so basically in today's GFG POTD, we have a problem, permutations of a string. So basically it is a medium level problem, and as the problem given here, given a string S which may contain duplicate characters. Your task is to generate and return an array of all unique permutations of the string. You can return your answer in any order. So basically in the given problem, here we need to return all those possible permutations of a string, and we need to store it in a vector, or we can say an array of unique permutations. Okay, that must be a unique. Okay, so like if we are talking about the first example here we have a string ABC. So here by using ABC, here we have to like return all those possible permutations and store it into a array, store it into an array, or we can say it vector here. Okay, so basically, if we're talking about this first example here, ABC, here we have six possible unique permutations, which we can say that ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, then CAB, and CBA. These all are the like we can say strings which are not similar; they are unique. Okay, like if we are talking about the second example here, so first thing ABSG, here we have 24 unique permutations. Okay, and talking about the third example, which is like AAA, so we know very well here it is only written only one permutations, which is like which is as given. Okay, no other permutations formed can be here as it is also written. No other using unique permutations can be formed as all the characters are same. Okay, so basically this is a important question as it is like also are in multiple companies like Zoho, Ecolite, Amazon, Microsoft, Oyo Rooms, Samsung, Snapdeals, Citric, Walmart, Mac Software, and Cisco. And talking about this topic text, so we need to solve this one by using strings, recursions, backtracking, data structures, and algorithms. So yeah, we can use these things. Okay, and here talking about the expected complexities. So we need to solve this one with the time complexity of order of n cross n and x auxiliary space of order of n. So let's try to solve this question here. Actually, we can solve this question by within 4 to 5 lines also. Let's try to solve it by using that way. So for solving this question, first of all, we need to sort our given string s. So here we can set s dot begin. So here I'm using built-in function for sorting the given string. So s dot begin, s dot end. While performing these built-in functions, our strings are actually getting sorted, and once it is like getting sorted, we need to like return all those possible of permutations of our string. Okay, so for that, what we'll do here, we have to create a vector of a string type. Basically, we have to store all those strings uh, inside. We can set vector. Okay, so here we have to return all those possible permutations. So let's say I'm saying that v as I've declared these things. Okay. Then after that, here we have to insert all those strings inside the vector. So v dot push back, and then after that here we store s. Okay. Now while storing the string s into the vector, we have to also check it that it must be unique. That means here we have to give the condition that the given permutations must be unique. It should not be repeated. Okay. So for that, here we are going to check. Here we're going to give the condition while v dot. Here we am using built-in again function, that means next permutations, which are basically used to return the next permutations. Okay, so here I'm using next permutation. Then after that, here we can set it s dot begin, but here we don't have to like use this thing. Okay, next permutation s dot begin, and then s dot end. Okay, so again we actually are storing the next permutations, next possible unique permutations in a sorted way. Okay, so we are using this thing, and we need to store it inside the vector. So here we can say it vector dot push back, v dot push back. Here we have to store our string s. Okay, once you have like stored all those unique permutations of our strings, finally we can return, or we can say that here we have to write it down like in this way. That means inside this scope here we have to provide some scope here. Okay, and we need to put it into this, and then after that here we can simply return our vector v. Now let's try to compile and run. So yeah, here our compilation is completed, and its compilation is executed. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.